Hi folks, hi Joan, Miguel, hi Kiefer.
Greeting.
Hi Tim.
Hey Sebastian, hey guys.
Guess we can start. So we have November 20th. SSH Orchestrator, really lots of stuff going on in the SSH Orchestrator. Sage is really pushing features. We are going to get a tautology task soon for the SSH Orchestrator, which is a relief when it comes to actually testing the orchestrator. That was a pain since last year, basically.
Forever.
Forever. So I'm so happy that we are finally going to get a decent way to test the orchestrator, which also means that the dashboard is able to test the orchestrator with live data.
Cool. So we don't need to rely on test orchestrator.
Yes. Maybe we can get rid of the test orchestrator altogether. That would be awesome. Yeah, I'm really super happy. With Rook, I'm still waiting for Josh. Yeah, that's what we were doing in the last week, basically. Concentrating fully on the SSH orchestrator, and that's it. Kiefer.
Yep.
Anything from the dashboard integration?
Well, the OSD creation one is still pending for review.
Then you have to really poke people to review
Yes.
your pull request.
Last Friday, I just finished it, rebase it. Yeah, the inventory device structure changed in the Python command. So I have to adapt the change a little bit because originally the structure is flat. Now we have another sys API.
Yeah.
So my filtering function doesn't work. So I have to search a little more inside the attribute.
You can do whatever you want with the UI. So if you want to just let it, then you can just instead of do whatever you want to.
It's done. It works now. I will ask a dashboard member to review it again.
Okay. Tim.
I've been concentrating on some downstream things because I'm not going to be around after about a week and a half from now. I don't think I have an enormous amount to add, except if anybody wants me to review things or look at things anytime in the next week and a half, please speak up because I still can then.
Okay. Yeah. I still have a pull request that's waiting for review since September.
Uh-oh.
And you already reviewed it once. That's great.
That's something. Is this the completion thing?
Yeah.
I'm happy to go back and look at that again.
Maybe even Kiefer's dashboard PR. Don't know.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. And if you want, you can also review Jan's Ceph volume pairs.
Yeah, cool. I'll go take a look.
Really plenty of PRs you can review if you want to. Josh.
Yeah, I have nothing specific to the orchestrator side of things. Still looking at the more general side of CI for Rook. That I was hoping we would be further along by now, but we've had some difficulties with time zones and availability, so I'm not sure what the ETA is on that yet.
And your new Rook CI is basically my only hope to ever get a orchestrator CI Rook running. So
For Rook.
I'm really counting on you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just thinking how exactly that would look, because I've just been thinking and looking at the CI from a much more generic standpoint of how we test various scenarios against a Kubernetes cluster. But yeah, I'll certainly be keeping that in mind. But I wouldn't hold your breath that it will be anytime soon that we'll have orchestrator specific tests in there.
If it's there eventually, I'm already happy enough.
Sure. Well, I mean, anything can be anywhere eventually. So.
Yeah, in a reasonable. And it's basically just calling within the toolbox some orchestrator commands like service ls and stuff like that.
Yep. Yeah, so that part shouldn't be hard. There'll be just the verification that the right thing's been done. So it won't be a unit level test, which might be something that we want to do within the orchestrator as well for Rook, but I'm not sure what that would look like.
Okay. You've already looked into actually using the orchestrator?
I was referring to the, sorry, I said orchestrator. I meant to say operator, the Kubernetes operator for Rook. Yeah.
Yeah.
So whether or not we should have the unit tests for the operator. Yeah.
You've already some experience with the orchestrator in general, like listing hosts in the dashboard, in the Ceph dashboard?
No, not really. I've read the docs and gonna have an understanding of where it fits into the picture, but I haven't used it.
Oh, okay. So Miguel.
Working in Rook, so not nothing directly related with Orchestrator. Okay, but I have a couple of questions. Okay, one is for Kiefer. I think that you are testing the create OSD feature in the dashboard, and well, I think that maybe you are using the SSH Orchestrator.
No, I'm
and
using
what orchestrator?
The test orchestrator.
The
because
test orchestrator.
Currently no orchestrator really understand the full drive group spec. So I can only submit a request to a fake orchestrator, not a real one.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And the other question is is an offering. Is for Joshua. Okay, if you need help, with Orchestrator or how to set up your system in order to test a real orchestrator or the Rook orchestrator, just ping me. Okay, I will be happy to help. And this is all for my part.
Thank you. I might take you up on that. Is the best way of reaching out on Slack or somewhere else?
Yes, in Slack you can get me in the Rook Slack channels.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. I guess that's it for today.
I think the reason make check is failing because the IP address package that the SSH orchestrator is using.
Do you have a link?
So there is a ongoing PR for this issue.
Let me look. Pass Unicode string to IP address IP network. Yeah, that sounds a bit familiar. Didn't we have that same problem in the dashboard some months ago?
I can't remember it.
Okay, but if make check is failing, then we really should get that in as soon as possible. That's this one here. Tim, by the way, are you in the orchestrator group in the Ceph GitHub project? And do you want to?
I think he just mentioned he lost the audio.
I thought he's back.
I'm back, I think, but my
Okay.
mute thing. Yeah, I think I'm not actually on the orchestrators team on GitHub, but I would be happy to join.
Tim. Add a member, Tim. Invite. So is there someone else who wants to join the orchestrators group? Like Kiefer or Jean Miguel? You're just getting a ton of emails and a GitHub notification about new orchestrator PRs. That's basically it.
Please add me to the group too. Thank you.
Yes, it would be nice.
And then we have okay, Jean Miguel, I need to find out your GitHub username again.
In that
Malmo. Okay, I got it.
is Juan GM Olmo.
Yeah, I have you already. Okay, invitations are out. Or the mails are out. Okay. I guess that's it for today.
I just add a comment about that Broker is working on bringing LED light feature. And he didn't submit me a PR yet, but I think he's working on it.
Yeah, here he is. Do you know any status if he's already but he didn't create a pull request, right?
Not yet. I saw a screenshot in another issue. He created an issue about the inventory page. And because currently we don't have a unique ID for each device, and we are going to have a device ID attribute in the future, so I will use that attribute to identify each row in the device table. And he posts a screenshot about to bring in the LED of the 4 devices in that issue. So I think he is working on that feature.
Okay. That's great. Is there any way we can help Volker? Or do we just need to wait for a pull request?
Maybe we can wait for it.
Okay. 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 Let's try again. Is there anything else? Okay. Then Tim, you're around next week still, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, then you guys next week.
Cheers.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.